deadbolt. So here's the original key. Turns it just fine. And then here's the key I'm going to rekey to. Currently it doesn't work in the lock, you can see. So what I'm going to do is remove this clamp. Take that right off of there. And now that's the new key. And then take the old key. And sometimes you gotta wiggle it this way, I'm rekeying it. There you go. And then this one's hollowed out for the deadbolt. So that's the slider I'm gonna use. Okay, so here's the pins. This is what the key is currently set up to. And then this is the key I'm going to set it up to. You notice it's a lot different. So start by getting rid of all the old pins. And then you're just going to put the new pins in. Sometimes the pins or the keys are cut a little off, so you have to change the pins up a little bit. So this one's flush, you can see. Two. So it's off too. And last but not least, mul 5, which is another 240. If you notice, this one's a little too big, so switch that out real quick. And there you have it. Still a little too tight. There you have it. It's all rekeyed.